How's it going, YouTube? Today, we're going to be doing some new coolant hoses and a brand new coolant in my Sentra. So stay tuned, we'll show you how to do it. Alright, so I have one of the Lyle spill-proof funnels. It's really nice. You don't need it. You'll just need a funnel for going in here. But we're going to be replacing this coolant hose, the lower, and my two heater hoses today, which we have all new clamps for, and all new silicone hoses. So obviously, we're going to need our hoses, our new clamps, set them up there, some pliers to remove the old clamps, and a screwdriver to install the new ones. Let's see, do I have it set up right? I do. They are flatheads. And obviously, you're going to need some coolant. This one takes a little over a gallon, so right about 2 gallons. So I guess we'll start with this upper one since, you know, it's right here and easy. I'm going to grab the two sides of this tab, my pliers, slide that tab back. We'll do the same down here. Slide it on back. Don't let it steal your pliers. And then wiggle it on and off. Simple as that. And we have one off. Now, I don't really have anything to clean this up with, which I did. But now, we can go ahead, take our new one, and we're going to come in here to our big bag of goodies, find 2 of the bigger hose clamps. Just got to figure out if they're all the same size. And it looks like they are. So we just need 2. We're going to loosen them up a little bit, so that way everything slides on nice and neat. We don't have any issues with that or anything. So then we just slide it on the hose like so. Slide the other one on the hose like so, if it'll go on. And then you just kind of wiggle her and jam her on. You gotta wiggle it on this side too. And you loosen up this clamp a little more to get it on here. Man, we have it like almost apart. And then we'll just slide the clamp up. Slide the clamp up to where I know it'll hold. Tighten down the clamp. And then we'll slide this clamp on down. Bottom of this line got a little more squished than I'd have liked, but it's fine. It'll all open up once there's coolant flowing through it. Alright. I have to loosen this one up a bit more too. Alright, that's about as loose as a goose as she gets. So I hope it works. And look at that. Sure enough, it does. Kinda. See if I can get her any looser without losing her. There we go. Now we're on there. And we just tighten her down. And just like that, we got one hose in. Only 3 more to go. I'll probably go ahead and speed up this portion of the video. You're just going to rinse and repeat on each hose. So I have the right adapter and everything for my car to be on here. I'll pop the lid off, jam this sucker in like this, pull the plunger out. You'll need that later, so don't lose it. And grab your coolant. Start dumping her in. Also, the flathead will be helpful for opening your coolant jugs. Got a nice, pretty, brand new coolant. And we are going to try to be watching for bubbles and leaks. You want to be watching for leaks. You definitely don't want your cooling system leaking. Keep going. All right, that's 1 gallon down. And if you do have to dispose of coolant, you can probably take it to your local mechanic shop. They'll charge you something, but you really need to dispose of this properly. It's not good for animals or the environment. All right. That's 1 jug, and 1 jug has filled up the radiator. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go start the car. After I add a little more coolant to this. After I fill this up, I'm going to go start the car. And I'm going to turn the heat on. So that way I get fresh coolant in the heater core and everything. Now we're just going to watch it bubble down, and I'll see you guys whenever it's done.